Hey everybody, update video. We're still working on the Mustang The Rustang, and part of the problem that we were having is that the front end was sitting way too high with all the brand new control arms and spring saddle and lower control arm bushing and ball joint. This car was sitting a mile high. We've given it like 6 months to try to settle down, and it wouldn't settle down. So we already cut that off the left front. And now we're in here with our Dremel tool trying to cut this one down here. So I have my spring compressor in, and there's the top of the spring compressor. I'm using a trailer hitch. You take the shock out, and you put that piece of metal there, and that holds the top, and then you can compress the spring, and we have the spring compressed enough. So we're in here cutting it away. So hopefully this will lower the front end back down near the stock height, because it looked like a gasser. It was sitting like this, and you could push it down, but it would always creep back up. All right, so just a quick update video on the Mustang Rustang. We really haven't done a lot to it, but we're trying to get the springs cut. And don't forget to go look at the playlist of this car. There's like, I don't know, there's a boatload of videos on this car. Just go to my website, G Automotive and More, go down the playlist. There's also, oh, let me show you this. Also the playlist, there's G Junior. On the playlist, we have a new Mustang, the 1967 Mad Mustang. This is the 351 Windsor out of it. So be sure you go check out my channel and go check out the playlist of this one too. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like all the Mustang videos.